Hello everyone, today something exciting happened. For the very first time in my life, I went through a tunnel. Actually, it wasn't a big tunnel connecting two cities. It was just a small tunnel inside the park, but still, it was my first time walking through a tunnel and I really enjoyed it. So these are the some instruction what you can and can't do inside a tunnel. The tunnel was dark and a little mysterious. The light inside made it look magical. I was looking out the panes thinking, wow, this is amazing. It may sound simple, but for me it was a special moment. I had never experienced that before. It felt like entering a hidden path beneath the earth. Sometimes, life feels like a tunnel, dark and uncertain, but we kept moving and eventually we come out into the light.
কখন যে একটু আরামের ঘুম দেব ওয়া কি কুত্তা জন গাড়ির মধ্যে কুত্তা ঢুকলো কেমনে গাড়ির কাজ ভাঙা লইলো তো জন